Hey everyone, this is Tip from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to merge your PDF files on your computer, and this is very easy. You just need to open up a web browser like Google Chrome or something like that, or whatever you're using, Internet Explorer or something like that. And you need to go to this website in the top left here. This is called CombinePDF.com. Very easy. Just select it and then press enter. And then we're going to be under this magical website now where we just have to drop and drag our files into here. Or you can go to open files and open up your file explorer. So I already have my file explorer opened up. I can just go to it. I got these highlighted. So I got 3 of them. And then I'm just going to copy them and drag them into here. And then they're going to upload to this website. All you have to do is go to Combine now. Hit Combine. Okay. And then it's going to bring up a save file for you. So you have to find a location to save this in. I'm just going to save it into my combined PDF file right here. So you can name it now. It looks like it's going to be this file type right here. Okay, good. Just go to save. Now you can see it's saved in the top right when you open this up. And it's in this folder now. So here's my combined PDF file with these 3 included all into one. And you should be good to go. Just make sure you save it in the correct location so you can find it. If not, you can go to the top right. It should be downloaded somewhere up here. You can just press this button right here and you can open it up, or you can see the location in the folder you saved it. So very easy to do this with this website. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.